Tax brackets. How to use TaxCaster's Tax Bracket Calculator 2024. The TaxCaster's Tax Bracket Calculator 2024 is a tool designed to help you determine your federal tax bracket based on your income and filing status. Here's a detailed explanation of how it works. Purpose: determine tax rate. The calculator helps you identify which federal tax bracket you fall into for the 2024 tax year. Estimate tax liability. It provides an estimate of your total tax liability based on your taxable income. How to use. 1. Select filing status. Choose your filing status, example single, married, filing jointly, head of household. 2. Enter income. Input your estimated taxable income for the year. 3. Calculate. Click the calculate button to see your tax bracket and estimated tax liability. Benefits: financial planning. Knowing your tax bracket helps you plan your finances better and make informed decisions about deductions and credits. Avoid surprises. It helps you avoid any surprises when you file your taxes by providing an estimate of your tax liability in advance. Example: if you're filing as a single individual and your taxable income is $50,000, the calculator will show you which tax bracket you fall into and how much tax you'll owe based on the 2024 tax brackets.